How to fix this admin is pending removal on Facebook. Hello everyone, welcome to this channel. I'm Emily and I'm here to help you out today. So without any delay, let's get started. So first of all, make sure that you have a stable Wi-Fi connection on your device, and if not a Wi-Fi connection, you can switch to your cellular data as well. Then go to the Play Store application and make sure that you have an updated version of the Facebook application on your device. So as you can see, I have an updated version of the Facebook application. So just go to the Facebook application, make the long press and then tap on app info. As you tap on app info, you'll be led to a new page where you can see the option of clear data at the bottom right corner of the screen. So just tap on that and then clear cache and then tap on OK. Now after that, you can just restart the device and your issue might be fixed. So thank you so much for watching this video. If you enjoyed watching it, don't forget to like, subscribe and hit the bell notification for more updates. That's it for today and see you next time.